Hi everyone! In this short tutorial, we're going to explain how IMAP email retrieval works and how we handle it at ALLINKLCOM, helping you stay organized across all your devices. With IMAP, all emails are stored centrally on the mail server and are automatically synchronized across multiple devices. This means any change, like reading, deleting, or moving an email, is reflected everywhere in real time. Because the server acts as an additional backup layer, the risk of data loss is much lower compared to local storage solutions. It's the ideal setup for users who access their emails from several devices, such as a laptop, smartphone, or tablet. This makes managing your inbox simple and consistent. We also provide standard folders on the server, such as sent items or drafts, and you can create your own custom subfolders, all of which are synchronized across devices. Multiple email clients can access the same account at the same time, making it perfect for teams or anyone who uses multiple devices daily. Whether you want to use IMAP or POP3, ALLINKLCOM gives you the flexibility to manage your emails the way you need, and both of the options are included in all of our current web hosting plans. ALLINKLCOM gives you the flexibility to manage your emails depending on your needs. You have full control and flexibility as our hosting packages are designed to give you reliable, secure, and fully managed email services. For more tips and insights on web hosting, follow at ALLINKLCOM and stay tuned for our next tutorial.